Although Archer Aviation recently reported a net loss of $206 million, it also had $1.7 billion in liquidity, marking its fourth consecutive quarter of record cash reserves. Archer also progressed in manufacturing, with 6 Midnight aircraft in production and plans to expand the fleet. On top of that, it became the exclusive air taxi provider for the 2028 LA Olympics, while it began launching operations in the UAE. Defense capabilities are also being expanded through acquisitions, positioning itself as a leader in advanced vertical lift technology for military applications. The acquisition of mission-critical composites is expected to enhance its manufacturing capabilities, particularly for defense applications. Archer's defense opportunity is significant, with substantial Pentagon support for autonomous systems. However, the company still faces challenges, including navigating FAA certification processes, scaling manufacturing and infrastructure readiness to meet its ambitious deployment goals, and uncertainty regarding the timeline for commercial operations in international markets like the UAE. That being said, progress is still being made on the FAA certification front, with about 15% of compliance verification documents completed. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.